Making money online is not always easy. If you're watching this, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I've started many online businesses and I've bought many too. And I've found the simplest way to earn income online is acquire an established business that's already turning over a profit and then growing, treating it like a startup, but something that's already got legs, a foundation, and a base. But as simple as that sounds, it's not always easy, and not all online businesses are created equal. Some are far more work, a lot more stress is involved in some than others. And I learned this the hard way. And so if you want to learn from my mistakes and discover the easiest types of online businesses to buy, run, and grow, please smash the like button so I know my misfortune of acquiring harder to run and more stressful businesses didn't go to complete waste. And by the way, thank you so much for hitting the like button. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot. Newsletters. What if you had a business where you only needed to send 1 to 2 emails per week? What a dream, right? Welcome to newsletter businesses. And yes, you can acquire established newsletters. Some newsletters are more work than others, of course, and some you need to send maybe to 5 emails per week and promote the newsletter with the different types of ads. And if you bought one that had a great ad campaign and the amount of subscribers were growing each month, would it be so hard to take over and write a few emails or train a virtual assistant to do this for you? These newsletter businesses are only going to get more and more popular over the years, and the multiples are only going to increase due to them being such a simple business model to own and run. You can earn revenue per subscriber, but you can also have businesses sponsor your newsletter as well. People paying you per month. Maybe you've got 2,000 subscribers paying you $10 a month. There's the money, right? And then you might also have your newsletter sponsored retailer, and you may be sending traffic to them or providing deals for them, offers and promotions. You can also earn affiliate revenue from these newsletter businesses by promoting affiliate products, different products that are available in the market. Or, say for example, if you've got a great yoga newsletter and Lululemon decides to do a sale, you can do some affiliate marketing and send to Lululemon for the sale, because you're providing your customer service by showing them where the great deals are, and you're also earning some affiliate revenue as well. Maybe you even sell your own products eventually. Maybe you work out that niche that I'm in. Maybe it's in surfing, and a lot of people really hungry for a great type of fin for their surfboards. You can create your own fin and start selling them if you've got a customer base there. Now, these are great businesses too, and have an exceptional amount of growth opportunities. The way I like to think about these newsletter businesses is that you already got a subscriber base, an audience base that you're making money from, and then you can also increase your different revenue streams, like I mentioned before with some examples. Increase revenue per subscriber. Once you've done that, then you can really start to focus in and hone in on marketing and gaining new subscribers. And if it's for you gaining new subscribers, you're only going to earn more money because you've increased your revenue per subscriber by adding revenue streams. Let's go away and have a look at a few different types of newsletter businesses. Where can you buy these newsletter businesses? Well, one place is Juice. You can go away and log in, get a free account, and then you can go in and check out all the newsletters for sale. So once you click on check out all the newsletters for sale, it's going to send you to this page, and you're going to be able to see how much these businesses are asking for the sale to acquire that business. So let's click on maybe a couple to have a. The ones that say no revenue, obviously they're not earning a revenue. But let's look with Dinner Table's discussion. These guys are asking you $70,000, right? So if you go 70,000 divided by, and I'm going to take out my calculator here and do this for you. 70,000 divided by 4,500 a month. That's 15 months, right? Which is divided by 12, a multiple of like 1.2-ish, 1.3-ish, which is a very good multiple and newsletter. Typically multiples are 2 years of net profit plus. The lower the multiple, typically the more the risk is. They got a very low churn rate. The open rate is insane, 48% open rate, and they're sending out emails weekly. They've sent out 60 issues. They're getting 100 subscribers per month, which isn't a whole lot, but it's better than nothing. So you could increase that, and it takes 2 hours to write an issue. So maybe they're sending out maybe 1 a week or 2 a week. So it's maybe 2 to 4 hours a week to run. I've said in other videos that you can go away and outsource these tasks, right? By getting a writer to do that, which could bring down your revenue to $4,000 a month, or maybe $3,500 a month. Probably not that much, but you'd still be making a bit of money for not doing the delivery and maybe just focusing on increasing that new subscribers per month. Let's look at another one, for example. This one, $30,000 for cheap flight alerts. That's a pretty cool service, right? Getting flight alerts. 31 grand, $350 a month. Let's do the maths on that. 31,000 divided by the 350, 88 months, which is quite a lot. That's a 7.3 3.8 multiple, annual multiple. So it's 7.4. So this one's probably going to have really good, well, I'm surprised the churn rate is lower than the other one. It's only 100 subscribers per month. So as you can see, not all businesses are created equal, but they're probably getting most of their subscribers here. As you can see, cheapflightalerts.net is probably the site where they can go and sign up for. Then this is an Instagram account. You just run an Instagram account to build out the subscriber base, and they're sending 1 day. 1 hour per issue, so 7 days a week. So that one is cheaper, probably a bit more work until you built it up and start earning more revenue, and then you could outsource those tasks. So they're newsletter businesses, which are just phenomenal businesses. Next is print on demand. Printed cups, stickers, cushions, towels, puzzles, and even wall art. Yes, you can own an online business selling these digital products that you can actually have printed and sold to your customers. These are super easy business because you don't need inventory, which costs you time, estimating, sourcing, and large fees of storing. You save all of those costs, which can be put back into market or the business even more. It just provides you a better profit margin. These are also easy because you can have the print on demand company, so POD companies, send your products to your customers for you once the print. You just focus on the marketing, growing the sales of the business. So you can go away and find print on demand business in a bunch of different places. There's some links in the description to Empire Flippers, flipper.com. You can even find maybe print on demand business via Light. They're a good broker as well. So print on demand business is a pretty simple business to run. Digital product businesses, Canva templates, ebooks, printable art, even printable business cards, flyers, and one day maybe even these exist now. Printable kitchenware, furniture, or anything is possible with 3D printers to out products that customers may purchase from you, which is really cool. You can buy and own a business that sells these products for retail on their own online store and once these products are purchased from the retail, you can send the order to the manufacturer. Maybe they've got a 3D printer, maybe they have like flyers that they print out, maybe they have business cards they print out, maybe they have a bunch of different things that they can print out, digital products, and they can charge you wholesale for that, and then print that product out and send it to your customer for you, which is pretty cool. Now these are simple because you can spend your time on marketing, like I said before, and running great ads. So let's go away and look at a print on demand business, for example, or a digital product business, I should say. So here we are on flipper.com. Here is stampervolantini.org and printingforall.com. Print on demand e-commerce store, and they've made a total of $320,000 since I would say since 2009. It's roughly making around $850 a month now. It's a 15-year-old site. It's a pretty low multiple. So lower the multiple, like I said before, the higher the risk. There are better businesses. There probably would be better businesses out there than this one. But of course, maybe you do your due diligence and you find out this is a great business. They're selling flyers, business cards, leaflets, brochures, and stickers. So the business is not quite, completely passive, but you could get some of the work done by an assistant and get it, nearly completely passive. Now, there's no such thing as completely passive in an investment. Even in real estate, you still have a property manager, right, coming to you with things. So how does this business make money? It's basically the drop ship method. I won't go through this whole thing because it might just end up taking a fair bit more time, but I will say that go through all of this. And what I like to see in Flipper here is typically these are not completely accurate. So you want to get access to the Shopify accounts if they're selling by Shopify, or the data from, not just from SEMrush, because this is actually scraped from the internet and is not always accurate. Neither is Ahrefs completely accurate. The most accurate is what's tracked on a website, which is Google Analytics, and or the traffic tracked through the site that is selling the product. So make sure you get access to that. Also get access to, or viewers access to the Stripe account and the PayPal account, and look at the books completely. If you need help looking at the books, you can get an accountant, a CPA to do so, and redo the books and make sense of them for you and point out any risks. Now with due diligence, this is what I do. This is my whole business models. I help people acquire great businesses and prevent them from buying dud businesses and buying lemons, so they can actually buy a business that is great to run and helps them achieve the goal they want, which typically replacing their income. And this brings me now to media businesses. Did you know that you can actually buy Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, YouTube channels, even podcasts? I've helped people buy YouTube channels. I've helped people people buy Instagram accounts. They are media businesses and they produce content and typically earn revenue from sponsored content or sponsorship. Why are these so easy to acquire and run? Because all you need to do is create content or have someone create content for you, and then you have people sponsor. You're buying a media business like this. I dare say they've produced a bunch of media, so they probably have a system, rating system, SOP, certain steps to follow to create these pieces of content. Now, you could acquire this business and run the system yourself, or you could hire someone to run that system for you and create the content for you. Typically, there's a system that produces this content, that spits out great content that allows people to subscribe and continue consuming the content, which allows you to build up your asset base of followers and subscribers and the attention. And the more attention you get, the larger sponsors you can typically acquire, meaning that you can then start to bargain for better contracts with sponsors. And you can also get these people onto an email list, which is my biggest suggestion if you do acquire and own a media business, is not only rely on these third-party sources that help get attention through your media, but also get those people on an email list. Now, the content you create is the actual product in a media business. And you know the beauty about this is product is also your marketing material. Yes, it's called content marketing, but sponsors are paying for your content anyway, right? They're paying for you to create the content to get in front of the listeners. Plus, that is your content that is used to get more followers and more subscribers. It builds upon itself and it's a great flywheel. Clearly, the content needs to be amazing, and those businesses with the best content are the ones that make the most money. You can acquire established YouTube channels, podcasts, and social medias accounts that actually do this. Don't go through the grueling battle of starting one of these from scratch. Buy one and earn some money right away. Of course, don't rush off and buy one of these businesses unless you know what questions you should be asking the sellers before you acquire them. I've helped thousands of people to buy great businesses, and most people, use my due diligence framework, and it takes the guesswork out of buying a business. Made people a lot of money, and it saved people a lot of money, and I'm giving it to you for free. Click the link in the description to download my due diligence framework. That's going to help you buy a great business. Hey YouTube watcher, what's up? It's Jaryd Krause here. If you watch this video up until now, please smash the like button. I'm glad you liked the video, and also thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing very, very well. I would like to ask you now, please possibly consider subscribing. Why? Because I'm about to come out with so much more great content on YouTube, more stories, more polls, more engagement, more surprise and delight. I'm going to be answering a bunch of your questions. If you have questions, please post them in the comment section so I can make videos for you answering those questions, and I hope to see you on the next video.